Okay, so it's a slightly rushed and quiet video because it's a bit noisy in the house, but I'm checking out this. It's the Oummph Kebab spiced meat. Again, cook it from frozen, and it has water, soya protein concentrate, sunflower oil, grape sugar, salt, paprika, coriander, ginger, cardamom, oregano, garlic, cumin, caraway, black pepper, parsley, fenugreek and red chilies. And that's it. So let's try it out, cook it up and see what it tastes like. I'm recording this on my iPhone, but it's all finished, so let's do the taste test. A little bit brown, I cooked it a little bit too long maybe. But it's crispy. It tastes more like chicken kebab than lamb kebab. But yeah, it's pretty good. It cooks pretty quick from frozen. So a little bit of spice to it as well, so I recommend this. Thanks for watching this video. A thumbs up would be really appreciated. If you're interested in other geek type videos, please consider subscribing to Spectrum Geeks. Why not also follow us on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. And before you leave, why don't you check out one of these other videos that may be of interest. Thanks again for watching.